In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this activity error which says unusual activity has been detected from your device. Try again later. So when we enter the prompt, sometimes it shows this error. You don't actually know the reason, but when you retry, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So the first solution is actually to start a new chat and paste your results again, whatever you want to search. Just paste it again in the fresh chat and see if that works for you. If it starts working, that's best. Otherwise, what you need to do is just make sure that you are connected to the right internet and you have the internet service or credits available. Let's say that you are connected to your mobile and you have the hotspot on. Make sure that you have enough data. Or even if you're connected to the standard internet, make sure that the package is not expired. So sometimes it causes the problem because of that. The other reason could be the date. So for example, the date is set to some other random date instead of the current date and time. It might show you this error. So what you do is, let's say that I'm using Windows 11. So I just right click here, adjust date and time, and just toggle these options on. Set time zone automatically, toggle this on, and set time automatically, toggle this on as well. And you will immediately notice that the dates will correct automatically. And after that, just open ChatGPT all over again. Just try pasting the same command in a fresh chat and see if that works for you. So either of the solution will definitely work for you guys. Just mention down below which function worked for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.